and I won't blink. I never really care what the fuck these niggas think. I got deep pockets, I swear my shit so sick. And he mad as fuck, big Sue up all she sing. And he mad as fuck, big Sue up in her dreams. And he mad as fuck when they say she scream for me. Big Sue up, but these niggas should be. Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say. Can I keep you on my bed? But first off, I'ma start by saying this. All hands off me, then you can take my bitch. And I'm too tough when I shoot, swear I won't miss. Baby, won't you come my way? Baby, won't you come my way?
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit. Cancel out my ex, I put a line through that bitch. I like all my S's with 2 lines through them shits. Everybody tryna fuck you, but I'm fine with that shit. I never mind, girl, that's just you. I know you work hard for your shit. You know they gon' hate, just don't play no part in that shit. They should call me James, cause I'm going hard in this bitch. We're just so much smarter than them. Maybe I just needed you around me. Drank a lot tonight, I know. She can drive your car and you can roll. Take you where you wanna go. First off, I'ma start by saying it. Goddamn, goddamn.
Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say.